Hello everyone, this is Sivaranjani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from KCS Kakinada College of Arts and Science. So today's topic is cloud computing deployment models. So what are all the deployment models? There were four cloud deployment models. The first one was public cloud, the second one was private cloud, and the third one was hybrid cloud, and the fourth one was community cloud. In the next slides, we'll be seeing what are all this in detail. So the first one was public cloud. What is public cloud? In this cloud service, the services were available to the general public or a large group of companies. Resources were shared among different users. These clouds are suitable for the development and testing of applications and host applications in the cloud to serve large workloads, that is like in IT sector. Example for this is Amazon Web Service. Moving on to the next thing, that was a private cloud. So what is private cloud? In private deployment model, cloud operated for the single organization, which is mainly for only one organization. Cloud infrastructure can be on-premise or off-premise and may be internally managed or by a third party. Where this is where used when the security is most needed. Example for this private cloud is IBM. Moving on to the next thing, that was hybrid cloud. By the name of hybrid, we can say this is a combination of public or private. So this hybrid cloud combines the service of multiple cloud, that is private and the public. So the next was best suited for the organization that want to take advantage of secured application and data hosting on private cloud, and at the same time benefit from cost savings by hosting shared applications and data in public clouds. Example for this is Google Cloud Platform. Moving on to the last one, that was a community cloud. So what is community cloud? This cloud services were shared by the several organizations that have the same policy and consideration. So these were the best suited for organizations that want to access the same application data and want to share the cost. Example for this is Microsoft. Thank you.